Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna walk you through the steps for setting up the development environment for Angular 2. Well, Angular 2 is the popular JavaScript framework because it has changed the traditional way of UI development. Okay, so let's just take a look step by step. So the first thing you're gonna need is Node. Alright, so let's just install Node on your system. Alright, so just go to the download. So whichever operating system you have, respective to that, download the node from here and install it on your system. Okay, so I have Node already installed on my system. So let me just double check. Node, the traditional way to check anything is installed on your system is to check the version. Alright, yeah, I have Node installed. So this is the older version, but it doesn't matter, at least for this video, because we're gonna do some basic stuff in this video. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create a directory here. Maybe I will name that directory as Angular2 basics. Okay, so let's just navigate to the newly created directory. All right. Okay, so the second step is to clone the repository from GitHub, which is provided by Google. Okay, so let's just go to the github.com slash let me check. So the name for that repository is Angular quickstart. Yep. So this is the repository provided by Google. All right, so just copy the URL and clone it. Okay, so to clone the repository, we can just hit the command git clone and paste the URL here. Okay, so it's gonna clone the repository for you. All right, so it has created a folder called quickstart into your Angular 2 basics. So let's just navigate to the quickstart. All right, so here we have all the required directories and files. Okay, so the third very important step we need to do is install the npm packages. Okay, so to install that, we can just hit the command npm install. Okay, so it's gonna take a little while. So in the meantime, we can just go and grab an editor for us. So whatever editor you are comfortable with, maybe Visual Studio Code, Sublime, or Atom. So I'm more comfortable with Visual Studio Code. All right, so just download it from the official website. Okay, so just download it from here. I have Visual Studio Code installed on my system, so I'm gonna skip that. Okay, so let it take its time. Okay, so let's just open the project in the editor. So our folder name is Angular2 Basics, Quick Start, open. So it is, let's see whether, yeah, we have all the node modules installed in here. Okay, yep, good. So just don't freak out with all these files we have right now, but I'm gonna explain all these files in the later videos. In the meantime, we can just go to the source app, and so this is the file we're gonna deal in this video. So we're just gonna make some hello world basic changes in the existing file, and let's just start the server. Okay, so to start the server, just hit the command npm start. Okay, npm start and hit enter, and it's gonna start the server on port number 3000, and it's gonna render hello world. And yeah, there we go. So in the meantime, you can just play around with this basic code, and in the later videos we're gonna talk about what this app component, what this app component.spec.ts is, and mainly the building blocks of Angular2, which is component, directives, routers, and services. All right, so for this video, I guess this is pretty much, and happy coding. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.